So today I'm hoping to put tools in your toolbox so that you know when to say yes and when to say no. Another one of our key takeaways today is going to be when you discover your contribution, you defend it with everything you've got. Once you have discovered which area you want to specialize in, you can then hold that up as your new framework for knowing what to say yes to and what to say no to. You say yes to everything that is essential to that contribution. You say no to everything that is non-essential to that contribution. Today, I want you to think about, of all the aspects of your teaching job, if you could wave a magic wand, what would you specialize in? What is the thing that makes you come alive? It's the part of teaching that you signed up for, that you feel like you have extra gifting, extra capacity in. What is the thing that you bring to the table? What is it that you do that no one else can do? Can you think about what that is? Can you think about what part of my daily teaching life makes me come alive above all the other pieces? So for me, as an example, the area that I wanted to focus on and really specialize in out of all the aspects of my teaching role was creating amazing classroom culture. I wanted students to have an incredible and memorable experience with me as their teacher, which meant that the classroom experience had to be phenomenal. That meant I had to get great at classroom management. I had to really reinvent and innovate my lesson plans so that they were the greatest that they could be. It meant I was always trying to spike my lessons with something really wacky and unexpected so they never knew what Miss Weber was going to do next. It meant that I spent a ton of time with my students, building those relational bridges so that they trusted me, that they felt seen and known by me, so that when they came to bring something to me, I had margin in my heart and mind to receive whatever they wanted to share. Now, because I knew that was an area that I wanted to be great at, even as a new teacher, I decided that there is nothing my God cannot do, and I don't have to be a seasoned teacher to get there. I can be a memorable, epic, first-year teacher, and the same is true for you. But I decided this is an area I want to be great in and I want to specialize in. So this became my framework. I held up this unique contribution, and when new opportunities presented themselves, I decided to ask, is this essential to my unique contribution? Is this new opportunity in line with me creating incredible classroom culture? If not, then I said no to that opportunity.